So hello guys, welcome back again iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.5 new features, app tracking transparency on iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad user reported to iOS 14.5 update after app tracking transparency gray out options on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, some users also reported to how to fix that issue on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, in this video I will fix that issue. So guys, please follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first of all, open the settings app in your iPhone and iPad, then scroll down and find out the privacy. Then you can see also second option is app tracking transparency options in iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also allow apps to request to track. Now many iPhone users reported to allow apps to request to track also gray out options on iPhone as well as iPad, and also app tracking transparency options gray out on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, in this video I give you some solutions for that, so easy to solve your problems. 3 reasons to that options gray out on iPhone as well as iPad. First reason is for user with child account or under age 18 by birth year signing in with their Apple ID. The second reason is if your Apple ID is managed by an educational institute on use configuration profile date limit tracking. The last reason is if your Apple ID was created in last 3 days. So guys, these 3 reasons to app tracking transparency options gray out on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, in this video I will try fix that issue. So guys, first one is open the control center and Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone as well as iPad. Then again open the settings app. In settings app you can see also top corner your name. So guys, please tap on that, then scroll down and you can see also Apple ID already login. So guys, last option is sign out. So guys, please tap on that and reboot your iPhone as well as iPad and signing back in your iPhone as well as iPad, and easy to fix your problems. Now second solution is most important. The solution is reset all settings. So guys, please follow the steps and first of all open the settings app. In settings app scroll down and tap on the general. In general scroll down and second last option is reset option. So guys, please tap on that. Then you can see also first option is reset all settings. Then enter your passcode, then again tap on the reset all settings, and easy to fix your problems. Last solution is most important. This problem show after iOS 14.5 update. So guys, please wait for the new iOS update in iPhone as well as iPad after download and install, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.